Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature in the Career Garden 2 game of Roblox, which is called Sell All Pet feature. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how this feature works. So with this feature, you'll be able to sell all your pets in your inventory. If you want to use it, you're going to open up your inventory and you're going to select one of your pets and talk to Steven, and you'll see sell all pets feature right here. But if you want to use this feature, make sure that you have already favorited your valuable pet. For example, I don't want to sell this owl, so I'm going to favorite it, and also this bee. Okay, and then I'm going to click on sell all pets. Okay, and then you just need to click on sell all pets right here. Oops, I haven't favorited this bee, but I think that's okay. I don't need that bee, so I'm going to click on sell all pets. Okay, sell all 3 pets. They are gone forever. This cannot be undone and you cannot buy them back. Sell them all, just like that guys. Okay guys, and that's how you can use sell all pets feature in Career Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.